Do you struggle falling asleep at night? Well, I'm here to help. I'm going to share 6 tips to help you fall asleep faster from Sleepopolis. I will note there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to sleep, and unfortunately, no magic solution. But these tips are science-based and help a lot of people get better sleep. On average, you should be getting between 7 and 9 hours of sleep a night, so let's dive into some tips to help achieve that. I do want to mention, if you feel you may be suffering from a sleep disorder or medical condition, we recommend talking to a doctor or medical professional, as these videos are meant to be informative but not take the place of medical advice. Tip number 1, make sure your sleep environment is cool, dark, and quiet. This means cutting off all the lights. You can add blackout curtains if needed to help achieve this, cutting out all noise distractions or covering them with a noise machine, and keeping a cool environment. This varies by person, but doctors recommend keeping the temperature at 60 to 72 degrees while sleeping, with most people falling in the middle of that range. But you may have to experiment to see what works best for you. Tip number 2, watch what you eat and drink close to bedtime. We recommend cutting out caffeine 8 hours before you go to sleep and avoid heavy meals and alcohol at least 3 hours before bedtime. All of these things can really hurt your sleep quality without you maybe even realizing it. Tip number 3, stay off your phone and from watching TV when it's bedtime. It's time to unwind, and this content and the blue light can interfere with your circadian rhythm or your natural sleep-wake cycle. This can make it harder to fall asleep and also hurt your overall sleep quality. Try to cut out phone time at least a half hour before going to bed. So are you on your phone right now in bed? Cut it out. Tip number 4, if you wake up in the middle of the night, don't look at your phone or clock. Try to stay relaxed and calm, perhaps with some breathing exercises. And if you're really struggling to fall back asleep, get out of bed and do something boring to help your body calm back down. Tip number 5, know your chronotype. Everyone has a specific chronotype that can help tell you how you sleep, like if you're a morning person or a night owl. Once you know it, you can use it to cater to your body's natural rhythm. Click the link in the description below to learn more. Tip number 6, count backwards from 300 in increments of 3. If you're lying in bed and struggling to sleep, try this counting method. So you start with 300, 297, 294, 291, you get the gist. All right, that's it for our top 6 tips to help you fall asleep faster. We also have more tips and methods like meditation practices and guides on how to make your bedroom into an oasis over at sleepopolis.com, and if you click the link in the description below. But we do recommend seeing a doctor or healthcare professional if you feel you may be suffering from insomnia. Be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go to see more videos like this one, and I'll see you next time.